No experience? No resume? No problem. What if I told you there are websites, real freelance platforms, where you could be making up to $60 an hour, even if you've never freelanced before in your life? These aren't get-rich-quick scams or sketchy side hustles. These are legitimate platforms where beginners are getting hired every single day and getting paid well. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 freelance platforms where you can start making money, no fancy resume, no years of experience, and in some cases, not even a job interview. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to earn extra income on your own terms, this is for you. Let's dive right in. Platform Platform 1, Fiverr. Let's kick things off with one of the most beginner-friendly freelance platforms out there, Fiverr. Now, I know what you might be thinking, isn't that the place where people work for $5? That's a huge misconception. While gigs start at $5, many freelancers on Fiverr charge $30, $60, even $100 plus per job, depending on the service and experience level. What makes Fiverr perfect for beginners is that you don't need a resume or prior experience to get started. All you need is a skill, or even better, the willingness to learn one. Once you create a profile, you can start posting services, or what Fiverr calls gigs, in just a few clicks. Some of the easiest niches to get into as a beginner include Canva-based design, like Pinterest pins or Instagram templates, virtual assistant tasks, voiceovers, basic video editing, and even transcription services. These gigs are in high demand, and many don't require any specialized background. Now, if you really want to stand out on Fiverr, here's the secret: niche down. Instead of offering graphic design, offer something like minimalist resume design for corporate professionals. Use SEO-friendly keywords in your gig titles and descriptions so people can actually find you. And don't forget to upload a clean, professional gig image, or better yet, an intro video that builds trust with potential buyers. In terms of earnings, beginners typically start around $10 to $25 per hour once you factor in the time spent per gig. But as you gain traction, there's serious potential to scale. For example, voiceover artists and branding specialists can easily earn up to $60 an hour or more. Lightbulb pro tip: don't sleep on Fiverr just because of the $5 reputation. The top sellers on this platform are making 6 figures a year, and many of them started with no experience at all. Platform 2, Upwork. Now, let's move on to a platform that's a little more professional, but still incredibly beginner-friendly: Upwork. Unlike Fiverr, where you post your gigs and clients come to you, Upwork operates on a job posting system. Clients post what they need, and then freelancers send proposals to win the work. This means you'll need to compete, but don't worry, it's very possible to win jobs without a traditional resume or a ton of experience. If you're just starting out, some great entry-level jobs include data entry, social media management, customer service, research tasks, or even basic WordPress editing. These roles are in constant demand, and the best part is that they don't require any specialized skills, just a willingness to learn and deliver great work. To stand out on Upwork, you'll want to craft a strong profile summary that highlights your willingness to take on projects and your commitment to learning quickly. While optional, taking Upwork's skill tests can help show your potential clients that you're serious about your craft. Also, make sure to offer value in your proposals by explaining how you can solve their problems, not just listing what you've done before. In fact, I'll even share a proposal template in the description. Earning potential: when you're just starting, you might see rates around $15 to $30 per hour, but with a few completed projects under your belt and a solid reputation, you can easily scale that up to $60 plus per hour in higher-skilled niches like digital marketing, branding, and content strategy. Lightbulb pro tip: the key to success on Upwork isn't experience, it's positioning yourself as a problem solver. Clients are always looking for someone who can make their lives easier. Platform 3, People per Hour. Let's switch gears to People per Hour. While it's a bit more UK-centric, freelancers from all over the world can join. The platform operates on a hybrid model, where you can both post your services and apply for jobs. One thing that stands out about People per Hour is the ability to create hourlies, which are pre-packaged services at fixed prices. This is a huge advantage for beginners since it allows you to clearly define the work you offer and the price upfront. People per hour is perfect if you want to avoid the competition that comes with other platforms. It's easier to rank as a new seller compared to Fiverr or Upwork, and there's a growing demand for services in writing, SEO, and graphic design. Some great starter gigs for beginners include translation, proofreading, research assistance, audio to text, and basic SEO tasks. These are easy to learn, and clients are always looking for affordable options in these areas. Earning potential: for beginners, many gigs start at $30 to $40 per hour, especially in writing or marketing. Once you gain some traction, high earners in fields like branding and consulting can charge upwards of $60 to $80 per hour. Lightbulb pro tip: start with competitive pricing to land your first few clients, then once you've built a reputation and positive reviews, you can quickly increase your rate. Platform 4, TaskRabbit. If you're someone who likes to get hands-on, then TaskRabbit is an excellent platform to explore. Unlike Fiverr, Upwork, or People per Hour, TaskRabbit is location-based. You'll be offering real-world tasks in your local area, making it perfect for those who want to earn some cash quickly and get immediate feedback on their work. You can help with tasks like moving, delivery, furniture assembly, or even tech setup. Now, what makes TaskRabbit so appealing, especially for beginners, is that you don't need prior experience. As long as you're reliable and ready to roll up your sleeves, you can start earning right away. It's one of the fastest platforms to earn cash since you can start accepting jobs in your area almost immediately. Plus, there's a growing demand for virtual assistant tasks, online errands, and event coordination tasks that can be done remotely but still through TaskRabbit. Earning potential: rates can vary, but generally, you'll earn between $20 to $60 per hour, depending on the task and location. Higher paying jobs typically involve tech setups or handyman work, so if you have those skills, you can make even more. Lightbulb pro tip: TaskRabbit is a great way to earn locally while building your remote skill set for other platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You'll gain experience and confidence while making some immediate cash. Platform 5, Freelancer.com. Last but not least, let's talk about Freelancer.com. It's another major player in the freelance world, and while it's similar to Upwork in many ways, it offers a broader range of categories and a more global clientele. Like Upwork, you'll be bidding on jobs posted by clients, and while this can feel competitive, it's also a fantastic opportunity to start earning even without a ton of experience. Freelancer.com offers opportunities across almost every industry, so there's something for everyone. Some beginner-friendly categories include typing jobs, basic web research, social media engagement, and data cleanup in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Clients are often willing to accept lower bids when they need quick help, making this a great platform for beginners to build reviews and get that initial momentum. Earning potential: for new freelancers, you can expect to make $15 to $25 per hour. But as you gain more experience, your rate can easily go up to $60 per hour or more, especially in fields like SEO, project management, and UX design. Lightbulb pro tip: don't focus on winning big jobs right away. Go after smaller, quicker wins to build your profile and get those all-important reviews. Your reputation will grow faster than you think. How to succeed on these platforms: no experience edition. Now that we've covered the platforms, let's talk about how you can succeed even without experience. Here are a few tips that will make all the difference in your journey as a freelancer. Build a magnetic profile. Write a strong headline that communicates your expertise or services clearly. Use keywords that clients are likely to search for, and upload a professional photo. Offer a niche service. It's tempting to be a generalist, but trust me, niche services are where you'll stand out. Instead of just saying video editing, try something like TikTok video editing for influencers or product demo videos for e-commerce. Create a portfolio. Don't have clients yet? No problem. Create samples of your work. Use free tools like Canva, Google Docs, or Notion to create a showcase of what you're capable of. Be responsive and reliable. Always reply to inquiries quickly, meet deadlines, and request reviews after each job. The more reliable you are, the faster you'll build a reputation. Start low, scale fast. In the beginning, competitive pricing will help you land clients. After you get your first 5+ reviews, raise your rates to match your growing experience and skill level.